everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Artyshils Art and welcome to episode 10 of Studio Chats with Artyshils. So if you're new to this channel, Studio Chats is a series of this channel where I share with you the complete process of one of my paintings along with sharing with you a really helpful topic of discussion for that day. So the topic of discussion for today is how to never run out of ideas for painting. So this question was asked by one of my subscribers on YouTube and I'm really not able to find that comment. It was like a few months back and I had decided to talk about that, so I'm sorry if I'm forgetting your name, but I hope you reach this video and I really hope that you find my little tips helpful on how to never run out of ideas for painting. But before that, just in case you don't know me, my name is Shilpa and I am also known as Artyshils on the internet, and I'm the content creator at the blog www.artyshils.com, and I am the founder of online art school at www.artyshilsartacademy.com, a place from where you can learn how to draw or paint by taking various classes or workshops. And if you would like to learn how to paint this painting from start to finish, from knowing all the techniques and colors and everything and all that, along with my personal support and guidance, then do check out the monthly art classes at Artyshils Art Academy. If you would like to know more about the monthly art classes, I would leave the direct link in the description box below. And for now, without taking any more of your time, let's talk about how to never run out of ideas for paintings, because we all love painting and we want to paint, but it is very easy to go in front of the canvas and go blank and never know what to paint. So to solve that problem, I have some few tips and ideas and I really hope that you find that helpful. So the first thing that you can do that will help you to never run out of your ideas for painting is, set a theme that you want to work on for every month or maybe every week. So I never followed this thing until it was kind of imposed on me. So I'll tell you a little story behind this. I also was that person who would run out of ideas for painting so many times. But 3 or 4 months back, I joined this Facebook group where we all get together. That group is called Soul Sisters United Art Collective. It is a group of 10 ladies who come together and they sell their art online on Facebook through auctions. And in that group, every month we have a theme that we are working on together. So ever since I have had that theme of the month that I have to work on, it's become so easy for me to just grab that theme and plan so many of my paintings around that theme. And it was so different when I had never ever followed a theme in my life. I would take way more time to finish paintings in a month. I would never ever do as many paintings as I'm doing right now in a month. And all that I give the credit to the theme, because I have a theme to look up to follow, to engage with, to have ideas with. That really helps me in coming up with new ideas and new concepts and so many new paintings each month. So just find topics that you would like to work on, like stories, music, magic, or anything you can imagine, and every month or every week set a theme for yourself already. And when you will already have a list of theme, or you've already decided that this is the theme of next month, your brain will automatically start churning out ideas around those themes, and you will have a lot of things going on that you would want to paint, and that way you will never ever run out of ideas on what to paint. So we artists or people who like to paint or really love painting, they always come across things or situations that really touch them and they feel like, I would love to paint this. So for example, I had recently been to Paris and the night time Eiffel Tower look was so beautiful that I have not yet painted that, but I would love to paint a night scene of Eiffel Tower. And I would even love to paint portraits of my own kids, and I love capturing landscape nowadays. Landscapes have really become my favorite thing to paint nowadays. I really love experimenting with landscapes and background, so I would love to paint more landscapes. So that is like like my little list of things that I would absolutely love to paint. So whenever you get an inspiration that, oh my god, this is so beautiful, I would love to paint that, just write it down in your sketchbook or maybe in some folder on your mobile or anywhere you like, doesn't matter. Just make a running list of things that you would absolutely love to paint, so that way you will just collect so many ideas that you would want to paint. So the third thing that you can do is make a folder on your laptop, and that folder or many folders, they should have a collection of all the paintings of your favorite artists that inspire you, or maybe a folder of photographs that have really inspired you've come across through the internet, or maybe a folder of photographs that you have taken yourselves while going on a trip, or maybe going on a trek, or maybe you went on a seaside and you really loved something, or maybe a photograph of a dog or an animal or something that you really loved. Make such folders of inspiration, or maybe you can do that on Pinterest as well. That's completely your choice how you maintain your folders of inspiration. But when you maintain your folder of inspiration, and at some time if you go blank and you don't know what to paint, you can anytime go, and because you already have put your favorite things in it, and because you've already put things in it that have really touched your heart, it'll really make your imagination run, and you will definitely get some ideas or inspiration on what you want to paint. So these were my 3 helpful ways which will help you with never running ideas about what to paint. And if you like these ideas, and if you would like to really support this channel, then please share this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, or anywhere you like, and that will really mean a lot to me. And before I go, just a quick reminder once again, if you would like to learn how to paint this painting from start to finish along with my personal support and guidance, then do check out the monthly art classes at Artyshils Art Academy. And if you enjoyed this video, do give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to this channel, and do click that little bell icon which will help you notify whenever I come up with a new episode of Studio Chats with Artyshils. So till I see you next time, bye and happy creating. Bye.